Hey guys, hi, my name is Ashik and today we'll talk about how can we prepare best thumbnails in PowerPoint presentation for your YouTube videos and other stuff. It's going to be interesting today. Let's get started right away. In the search menu here, you can type PowerPoint presentation, that's PPT, and press enter. You'll directly get to the PowerPoint presentation. You don't have to do it by other ways. This is the shortest way possible. Now you can use any kind of theme available here. We have the blank PowerPoint presentation, we'll take that, and you have already available custom template here. We'll delete that. We'll take the other one, press delete here. Now we can add our custom. We'll take the blank one. After then we can add some shapes to it. Go to the insert and you have shapes available here. Now let's take this and we'll make our own background. Let's take this and now we can customize it. Let's fill it with the other color. Let's take the yellow color here. Now after then what you can do, you have to add some text to it. Now simply you can insert a text box. Take this and insert a text box. Will be inserted here, or let's do it by other way. We can insert some other shape. We'll insert this kind of shape inside this and we'll write something in it. Best PowerPoint present best thumbnail best thumbnail for YouTube by PPT. Okay, now we can increase the font size. Go to the home. Here you have the font size. Let's make it bigger. Do it like this. Okay, so you have this available here. Now we can change the color of the text as well. So you have other options available here as well. If you want to add some word art, you can do it by this way. If you want to make it more adorable, you want to make it more attractive, you can do it by so many ways, but it would take you some time. Now there is another option. If you want to add your picture here as well, you can do that as well. You have pictures available here. Go to the pictures and take some picture. Let me take this one and insert it here. Now you can crop this. Double click on the picture, you will get the picture format available here, where you can do all kinds of stuff with your picture. Let's crop it a bit. Now I think this is from here as well. Okay, now I think now this is okay. Again, click on this crop and take it to the side. Now you can do all kinds of stuff with it. I think this is okay. You can make it much more better by playing with the stuff available here. So if you want, for example, we will use word art here. Insert. Now what you have to do, we'll go to the word art. Now let's select this one. Now it's already written here. It came with this. Now we have to delete this stuff here. Let's delete it and take this word outside. Sorry, let's take this word out of blah blah blah. Yeah, let's make it like this. You know, you can change the size. Let's change next. 72. I think this is a good one. You can do all kind of stuff with this as well. If you want to change the color, you can do it like this. If you want to keep it like that, it's okay. Now if you want to add some more shapes to it, you can do that as well. If you want to change the color of this shape as well, we can do this as well. Like, go to the shape fill, let's make it white. Pretty good now. So that's the way by which you can prepare thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I hope you like the video, and in the future videos we'll talk more about this. And don't go without subscribing the channel, you'll get more stuff in future. And don't forget to press the like button and bell icon as well. Thanks.